Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So if you have not subscribed my channel, so kindly subscribe it. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of nearby sharing not working in Windows 10. So let's start this video. So you have to just type settings in search bar and you have to go to system settings, and at here you have to go to system, and in system you have to just find out shared experience from left side. Here it is shared experience, you have to just click on it and you have to confirm that nearby sharing it should be turned on. As in my case it is off, so you have to just turn it on. So after this you have to also check I can share or receive content from everyone nearby. It should be on everyone nearby. If it is on my devices only, so you should have to change it to everyone nearby. And after this you have to go back to devices. Here it is the devices, and in devices you have to check the Bluetooth option should be turned on. As in my case it is on, so in your case it should also be on. Then you have to check one more thing, so you have to just go back to system and check specification of your version. So you have to just go to again system, and you have to drag it down to check the about section of your Windows specification. And here it is, you have to scroll down a little bit and to check the version of your window. So here it is, in my case 22H2 is my version, it is latest updated version, and in your case it should be more than 18.1803. It should be more than, if it is less than 1803, so you should have to update your window. How can you update your window? So you have to just go back and check window specification, update and security. Here it is. In update and security, you can check there is any update. Yeah, as you can see, I am on, my system is on up to date. So if any update will come, so you can check it from check for updates here. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, so you have to just move to the last step, which is basically device manager. So you have to just type device manager at here, and in device manager you have to just go to the Bluetooth section. Here it is, and you have to just drag it down, and in Bluetooth section you have to just find out Intel R wireless Bluetooth. Here it is, you have to just select it and you have to just right click on it and go to the properties. And in properties you have to go to details tab. Here it is the detail tab, and in detail tab you have to check, you have to just search Bluetooth radio sports low energy central value. Here it is. You should have to select this option and check this value of this. If it is true, then it is good. Otherwise, you have to buy a Bluetooth USB adapter from Amazon because you don't have a compatible adapter. So this is the main reasons why it is blocking sharing experience. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.